Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Thursday morning to you. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have a gorgeous weekend on the way. Some really warm temperatures in the forecast. Upper 70s and low 80s both days with plenty of sunshine. We're going to end up with a pretty strong south wind there on Saturday. Then the wind's not as strong there for Sunday. They might be swirling around a little bit, but nonetheless, beautiful weekend. Before we get there, though, today's going to be a little bit different compared to the last couple of days. We're going to be cooling down, getting a little bit windier. And this morning we started off with a few very light rain showers in our viewing area, otherwise a mix of sun and clouds. There's a bit of a disturbance off to our northwest. It's going to slowly work its way in. Now, meanwhile, if you're not seeing the light rain here throughout this morning, you're probably seeing partly cloudy skies. But we're also going to develop these strong northwest winds today, gusts up to 40 miles per hour, which is going to cool down the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Meanwhile, with the little bit of sunshine that we have for today, highs should be able to get into the 60s, and that's going to create a little bit of instability. So as we have some light showers out there this morning and some cloud cover, as that instability builds, these clouds and showers could become a little bit agitated. So you're going to notice maybe some more widely scattered showers, if not a couple of thunderstorms in spots. There you see a few oranges and yellows popping up. Nothing severe to worry about, but certainly could hear those rumbles, and some pockets of heavier rainfall at times. Should be fairly brief. At the worst, you'd end up with small hail, but again, no severe weather expected today. Once the sun goes down, we lose that storm energy and things will begin to taper off, except for just a few isolated showers there in northeast Iowa that could continue into the overnight hours. But by tomorrow morning, they're all gone, and we're going to end up with plenty of sunshine Friday. And as you just saw, you're going to have sunshine over the weekend, too. Now, rainfall amounts, not going to be too much with this event today. It's going to be fairly popcornish, so you might see some pockets of heavier rain, some localized heavier amounts, other spots not really even seeing anything. But generally should be less than a quarter inch, but a couple spots. If you see a thunderstorm, maybe up to a quarter inch of rain. There's a look at the winds. So gusting to 40 miles per hour this afternoon. The winds will just steadily increase throughout today. Sustained winds 15 to 25. Still windy through tonight and tomorrow. Gusts of 30 to 35. Still in from the northwest. So temperatures struggle a little bit for Friday. And then we shift the winds to the south for the weekend. And that's what's going to warm us up. Highs today, upper 50s to mid 60s. Windy, chance for rain out there. Don't forget the umbrella. Low 40s for tonight as the rain tapers off, but it will still be windy. So wind chills likely down into the 30s at least. More sunshine tomorrow, except for just a few clouds near the Mississippi River. Highs are going to be in the low to mid 60s across the area. City by city forecast, try to get outside this weekend. That would be my advice. Mid to upper 70s there Saturday, and then low 80s there in the forecast for Sunday and Monday as well. So it's going to be very warm. You're going to see an increase in some humidity. So a chance for rain showing up late on Monday, and then storms are now likely Monday night into Tuesday. A chance for some severe storms possible. That's why we have the Storm Track 7 yellow alert day. Also, the non-thunderstorm wind gusts will be very strong, probably even stronger than what we're expecting for today. So just be on alert for that. We'll keep an eye on it here as we get through the weekend. Otherwise, it's going to cool down by the end of next week with another rain chance late on Thursday and Friday. Highs should be back down to the 50s and 60s.